The newest research effort from OpenAI is interesting and already helpful. The way business conversations are conducted will soon change thanks to AI. Stick to the end of the video because we are going to discuss ChatGPT, the ultimate AI chatbot. Threat to Google? So what are you waiting for? Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we post new videos. Let's get moving. OpenAI published ChatGPT, an AI chatbot system, in November to demonstrate and test the capabilities of a very big, powerful AI system. You can ask it any number of questions and you'll frequently get a helpful response. It can be helpful to ask a computer a question and receive a response, and ChatGPT frequently does so. ChatGPT, though, feels different, smarter, weirder, more adaptable. It can even create working computer code, college-level essays, and jokes, some of which are truly humorous. Additionally, it can make text-based Harry Potter games, make medical diagnoses, and explain complex scientific ideas. In a strict sense, the technology that underpins ChatGPT is not brand new. It is based on what the business refers to as GPT 3.5, an improved version of GPT-3, the artificial intelligence or AI text generator that caused a stir when it was released in 2020. AI academics may not be surprised by the presence of a highly effective language superbrain, but this is the first time the general public has had access to such a potent instrument via a free, user-friendly web interface. There have been a lot of outrageous edge case actions in the ChatGPT exchanges that have become popular so far. In response to a tweet from a user, it was instructed to write a biblical scripture in the King James Bible style, explaining how to remove a peanut butter sandwich from a VCR. Google frequently provides you with links to websites it believes will be relevant and its proposed answers to inquiries. It's simple to think of GPT-3 as a competitor, because ChatGPT frequently provides responses that are significantly superior to those that Google will recommend. This innovative technology provides answers in a chat interface that seem natural and are simple to comprehend rather than requiring you to search through the results yourself. Although ChatGPT still has many problems and isn't always accurate, Google is concerned about its potential. According to a New York Times investigation, Google has reportedly declared a code red internally due to concerns that ChatGPT could completely disrupt its search operations. According to the New York Times, Google is worried about chatbots taking the place of search. Google's search engine is the company's primary source of ad revenue, but if more people turn to chat programs in the future, they will be less likely to click or touch on the advertising that Google displays in search. Even if Google created a decent rival chatbot, it would still need to find out how to make money from it in addition to search. If you're curious, you may try ChatGPT for yourself by creating an OpenAI account. Just be aware that researchers may listen in on your chats with the chatbot and use the information to improve the system. Share this video if you think it's informative. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay safe and we will be back soon with another video.